Best emergency flood repair services in Houston, Texas. As the premier emergency flood repair service provider in Houston, we are available 24/7 to address your needs. Contact us now and our team of water damage restoration specialists will be dispatched to your location promptly. Emergency flood repair services are aimed at quickly and effectively mitigating and repairing the damage caused by flooding. This involves a range of urgent measures, such as removing standing water, drying out affected areas, and repairing any structural or material damage caused by water. These services are essential in preventing further damage, as well as minimizing the risk of mold growth and the spread of harmful bacteria and viruses. If you have encountered sudden flood or water damage that demands immediate action, you may require emergency flood repair services. Indications that you require emergency flood repair services are the presence of standing water in your home or business, damp carpets or flooring, water stains on walls or ceilings, and a musty or damp odor. In addition, if you have undergone flooding due to extreme weather conditions or a plumbing emergency, it is crucial to call for emergency flood repair services immediately to prevent further damage and guarantee the safety of those in the affected area. Emergency flood repair services are frequently required in Houston, Texas because the city is situated close to the Gulf of Mexico, making it vulnerable to heavy rainfall and flooding. Emergency flood repair services usually require a prompt response to limit the damage caused by floodwaters. The team will arrive on the scene swiftly to evaluate the severity of the damage and start the water extraction and drying process right away. If needed, they may also perform disinfection and decontamination. The main objective of emergency flood repair services is to restore the affected area to its original state before the flood, as quickly as possible, to minimize interruptions to the property owner's daily life or business operations. The coverage provided by insurance policies for emergency flood repair services may differ depending on the policy and situation. It's crucial to review your insurance policy to determine what is covered and contact your insurance provider promptly after experiencing flood damage. Certain aspects of flood damage, such as water extraction and drying, may be covered under some insurance policies, but not all repairs and replacements. In the event of flooding or water damage to your property, it is crucial to call for emergency flood repair services immediately to prevent further damage and reduce repair costs. Signs that indicate you need emergency flood repair include standing water, mold growth, water damage to walls or ceilings, and a musty smell. The emergency flood repair process involves several steps to mitigate the damage caused by flooding. First, the standing water must be removed and the affected area dried out, which requires the use of specialized equipment. The cost of emergency flood repair services depends on the severity of the damage and the specific services required. Factors that affect the cost include the size of the affected area and the type of equipment and materials needed for the repair. It is recommended to contact a professional emergency flood repair service provider for an accurate estimate of the cost of services.